So Salman definitely he was always very protective about his heroines and एक family सी बन जाती थी and especially he knew that I was not from this country so his family like literally adopts us all like we're strays or something and then they'll feed us हमारे time पे तो बाबा we didn't even have makeup mans we would literally would change behind a tree our makeup man and hairdresser would hold up towels and bed sheets and we would change behind those like it was we would sit on the street side and do our makeup आज के एक्टर्स बहुत अच्छी तैयारी के साथ आते हैं फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट फिल्म ऑनवर्ड्स आई सी girls and boys have done their homework, their bodies are made, their clothes are perfect, their hair is exactly how it should be, their makeup is perfect. We were learning with every film. If you see all of us, the trajectory of all the 90s girls, all of us were going film by film, photo shoot by photo shoot, we were improving.
आज मिर्ची की स्टूडियो में शीबा नहीं है, आज मिर्ची के स्टूडियो में है मिर्ची, बिकॉज हमने ऑफ द माइक एंड ऑफ कैमरा इतनी सारी बातें करी हैं. मैम, इट्स सच एन ऑनर, अ प्लेजर. मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि मैं अपनी 90s की स्टाइल आइकॉन को देख रही हूँ, जो कि वहाँ से लेकर के अब तक यू आर स्टिल द सेम.
Oh my God, you are so sweet. I love you the most now.
Thank you very much.
Favorite interview already.
Ma'am, how are you? What's going on? How is life? And first of all, congratulations. आपका बहुत ही brilliant performance रहा है जिगरा में. And now we'll be talking about your future projects, जो कि I'm sure कि उतने ही exciting होंगे. And we're going to be talking about the golden era also, जहाँ से थोड़ी सी निकालेंगे controversy. But how are you first of all?
I am very good. Back to working full time. बहुत टाइम मैंने ब्रेक लिया हुआ था. I wasn't really doing anything except enjoying my social media.
I was just going to say, ma'am, मुझे लगता नहीं आपने ब्रेक लिया था. You were quite active on social media and I think your feeds are fantastic.
Oh, thank you. I appreciate that. It's so organic. I do everything दिल से. So I think that comes across.
मतलब आपके डॉग से लेकर के आपकी छोटी छोटी रेसिपीज और आपके रिकमेंडेशंस के विटामिन सी के लिए, आपकी जैसी ग्लोइंग ब्यूटी स्किन के लिए क्या क्या आप कर सकते हो. इट्स रियली वेरी रेयर कि हीरोइंस जो होती हैं वो अपना सीक्रेट शेयर करती हैं, क्योंकि ज़्यादातर हीरोइंस बोलती हैं मैं सिर्फ पानी पीती हूँ बहुत सारा.
Yikes. Yikes.
बट मैम, टॉकिंग अबाउट द फ्यूचर प्रोजेक्ट फर्स्ट, जो सोनू सूद सर के साथ में आपने फिल्म साइन करी है, टेल अस अबाउट दैट.
So it was very interesting how I got that part. Sonu's wife and me are best friends. The other Sonu, she's also Sonu. So she and I are really best friends. And then when Sonu was making this movie, I said, "Where's my part?" And Sonali is like, "Na, the part that is there which he wants to give you." I told him can't be because she's so rich looking. वो एक बहुत गरीब औरत का part है. You don't look poor. I said, "How dare you? I'm an actor. It's my job to look any which way you decide to make me look." So I said, I'm going to come and audition. I'm going to come and do dharna. But I need it. I need that part.
हाँ, मतलब एटलीस्ट ट्राई तो करें.
हाँ, how can you just say no, you're just too
हॉइटी.
rich looking. मतलब कई लोगों के
बिल्कुल
चेहरे पे वो
फेस कार्ड.
हाँ. So any which way, I fought my way through to that part, and I don't think Sonu regrets it at all, because ये again this is a thing which is with the 90s में हमारा we used to do, people used to cast you by instinct.
Okay.
For example, अगर मैंने आपको देखा, I would not need an audition after that. Being a maker, if I was the writer of a project or the director, I would see you and I could kind of envisage that how you will look in an Indian outfit, how you will look as a rich person. I know how to twist that around, right? So now people imaginations have gone. AI के साथ तो अभी दिमाग भी चले जाने वाला है.
हाँ.
Imagination तो पहले ही चली गई थी, because now if they want to cast you in something, they first want to see you in that costume, then they want to hear you say that line, that exact same way that
look test होते हैं 50.
हाँ, जो आप बोलोगे in an other environment when you're with the right actors in the right vibe, एक अलग चीज होती है. But now I guess you have to move with the times. You can't keep objecting.
मैम, उस टाइम से लेकर के अब तक, इफ यू टॉक अबाउट वर्क, कितनी चीज़ें चेंज हुई हैं और कौन सी चीज़ें वो टाइम पे ज़्यादा बेहतर थी और आज नहीं है, क्योंकि आई एम श्योर कि आपसे ये क्वेश्चन तो बहुत सारे लोगों ने पूछा होगा कि आज के ज़माने में क्या
थोड़ा
चेंजेस
ऑब्वियस
हैं।
है ना,
हाँ
तब मैं हीरोइन थी, अब मैं हीरोइन नहीं हूँ।
नहीं
बहुत बड़ी चेंज है।
बट अगर मैं डायनामिक्स की बात करूँ, वो टाइम की कौन सी चीज़ आप आज के वर्क एटमॉस्फेयर में सबसे ज़्यादा मिस करते हो?
The organic vibe, the connections that you made on a set with your co-stars, with your makers. Us time everything was very loving and warm and family type. Jo ab it's corporate. It's way more streamlined and everybody goes by the clock and by the timetable. And literally, like when I was doing another movie before, I used to have these call sheets where there was actually, it would be written sunset this time, sunrise this time, doctor available on set. I was like, yikes, what is this?
माय गॉड।
Matlab, it's become
हाँ.
so streamlined everything. Which हमारे time पे तो बाबा, we didn't even have makeup vans. We would literally would change behind a tree. Our makeup man and hairdresser would hold up towels and bed sheets and we would change behind those. Like it was we would sit on the street side and do our makeup.
मतलब ये स्ट्रगल काफ़ी ज़्यादा
It
रियल
was
हो जाता
fun.
है।
It wasn't struggle.
Yeah?
I don't consider it struggle.
यू आर सो पॉजिटिव। मतलब अगर मैं इसको सोचूं कि आपने जिस तरीके से अपनी बात यहाँ पर रखी कि पेड़ के पीछे जाकर के कपड़े वपड़े सब चेंज करना और मेकअप करना, आई मीन आई डोंट थिंक सो एनी ऑफ द हीरोइंस इन टुडेज एरा कैन डेयर टू इवन डू दिस।
अरे हीरोइंस नहीं, टेलीविजन इंडस्ट्री के एक्टर्स इतने टैंट्रम्स थ्रो करते हैं कि where's the makeup van and we can't and it has to be single door and double door, पता नहीं क्या क्या ड्रामे हैं। एंड हमने जो किया है, and I'm saying that about every actor of my generation, whether it was Akshay, whether it was Salman, Saif, me, Raveena, Karishma, we all went through that phase. In 90s maybe we were so much more chilled. I mean, I remember shooting in Manali with Sunil Shetty and I wanted to use the loo. So we were banging on people's doors, कि can we use the loo? So it was like very chilled.
अगर आपको मैं पूछूं कि टॉप 3 उस टाइम के स्टार्स को नेम कीजिए जिनके साथ में आपकी अनब्रेकेबल बॉन्ड थी व्हेन इट कम्स टू वर्क प्रोफेशनली। मतलब हो सकता है ना कि आप काम के सिलसिले में ज़्यादा अच्छे से बॉन्ड करें, भले ही पर्सनली आप इतना नहीं मिलते हो, मतलब 3 पीपल यू कुड रिलाई ऑन कि यार ये तो वहाँ पे संभाल ही लेंगे अगर होंगे तो।
So Salman, definitely, he was always very protective about his heroines and एक family सी बन जाती थी, and especially he knew that I was not from this country, so his family like literally adopts us all like we're strays or something, and then they'll feed us and then they will advise us, uncle will be really on
This
board
though I've
with you.
heard also even Shah Rukh Khan talking about this, that he
Yeah.
used to take him home to feed food.
Yeah. उनकी hospitality is unmatched.
हाँ.
And very protective. Like he would say to me, I remember this very clearly, कि तुमको expose करने की क्या जरूरत है, मैं हूँ ना।
ये तो बेस्ट फ्रेंड वाली हरकत हो गई, तुम मत एक्सपोज हो, मैं शर्ट उतारता हूँ।
yeah. So he very protective. Then Akshay was fun to work with, and Sunil as well. All these boys were gentlemen actually. So had a great time working with all my co-stars. Rahul Roy and me were best friends because we did multiple projects. So yeah, I got along very well with everybody. I'm basically a people's person. I generally, my dynamic is to be your friend. It's very rare that I'll look at you and say I hate that person. Look, you know, when आजकल लोग नई फैड की चीजें बोलती है, I recognize a vibe and I don't like the person and I don't
I can read the room and I can read the aura.
मेरे को तो जाते ही my first vibe is I like you all. Now you give me a reason to dislike you, otherwise I'm fine with you. Yeah.
तो फिर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आपने खुद ने ही अपने ऊपर इनवाइट कर लिया, विच इज़ दैट वन थिंग विच विल इरिटेट शीबा द मोस्ट, क्योंकि आप बहुत पेशेंट हैं, आप बहुत काइंड हैं, आप बहुत सुंदर हैं, आप यू रीड द रूम वेरी ब्यूटिफुली, बट देन वो होता है ना कि एक अच्छे इंसानों का एक ट्रिगर पॉइंट ज़रूर होता है जिसमें आप तुम मेरे सामने आया ना तो मैं कर दूंगी मैं।
I don't like humans who don't like animals. I judge them very badly. I will like judge you if you say I don't like dogs, I don't like cats, I don't like whatever, I don't like animals, I judge you. I don't like people who are impolite in the way they dress or smell. I think that's a trigger for me because you have to respect me enough to dress decently and smell nice. Basic hygiene, bro. Imagine when you're a hero and then you have a co-star who doesn't smell
I
nice.
was just gonna ask you.
You are going to die. Matlab, you're literally going to kill yourself.
How do you tell them that you need to do something or put something out, which is the most like polite way, not
Yeah,
impolite?
I'm going to tell you something. Ki this is something which is so basic, but it's so hard to tell somebody, even a friend, ki, you know, you don't smell nice.
Yeah.
I don't know how to do it. I still don't know how to do
But
it.
then I'm
Recently also I had a co-star who didn't smell nice and I had no way to tell him. So I eventually told another co-star, can you like man to man say कि please use some deodorant or something?
But like 24/7 you're surrounded by people. I think this is the basic rule of grooming when it comes to meeting and working with.
I don't
mean,
know.
like-
Maybe some people just grew up where they don't know better.
But then, मैम कभी ऐसा हुआ है कि कभी कुछ तो ऐसा इंसिडेंट हुआ हो किसी यू डोंट नीड टू नेम द हीरो बट देन एक मतलब रोमांटिक सीन करना है आपके नाक के बाल जल गए हैं
Maybe.
शिवा इज लाइक ऑन स्क्रीन
I'm getting that smell. Maybe like if they ate onions, for example, for
ओह
lunch.
गॉड
I mean, it's a vegetable. I get it.
हाँ
I like to eat
Kissing
onions
scene
with
से
your
पहले
food.
मत खाओ
Yeah,
ना।
but not before you're about to do a song or a romantic scene or something like that. So, क्या
मैम
करें?
आज के ज़माने में जो स्पेशली जो इंटीमेट सीन्स होते हैं उनके लिए इंटीमेट एक्सपर्ट्स होते हैं एंड पुराने ज़माने में आई एम श्योर मतलब नॉट आई वोंट से
पुराने
पुराना
ज़माने।
हाँ आई जस्ट करेक्टेड माई सेल्फ आई वोंट से पुराना ज़माना बट देन 90s एंड 80s की फिल्म मेकिंग में ऐसा कोई सीन ही नहीं होता था कि इंटीमेट एक्सपर्ट्स आ रहे हैं
नहीं।
तो वो वाइब कैसे क्रिएट करते थे आपके मुझे मतलब सीन करना ही अपने कोस्टार के साथ में दैट
For example, the most
channelize that energy
प्यार का साया में I had my most
Yeah.
so-called
yeah
hot scene.
yeah hot scene yeah
I mean, in fact, the song with Rahul also became very
Yeah,
viral because of
yeah
certain actions and
bold move na
bold.
हाँ yeah
But at that point of time, I think our choreographer would be everything. So the choreographer would say, "Okay, this is what I want," and especially supposing you were working with somebody like Sarojji, then she to even would show you with her eyes and expression what she wanted you to do. She was that perfect. And Pyar Ka Sai mein the songs were so beautiful. They were like, I still love them. That the song just gave you that feeling. The songs were so romantic. So I think that's how we just ended up doing everything very organically. We didn't really. We would ask like the cameraman ki kitni jagah hai, how much are we covered, kitna frame hai, and then we would work with that. That was pretty instinctive.
you know I was
I don't know how I would do a love scene now with choreography. Actually,
I was just gonna ask
that
you
sounds
this
harder.
कि आप कैसे करोगे लाइक यू नो रॉकी और रानी का शबाना आजमी जी एंड धर्मेंद्र पाजी का सीन बहुत पॉपुलर हुआ दे किस्ड ऑन स्क्रीन आप तैयार हो ऐसा कुछ करने के लिए नाउ
So literally the first scene which opens of the movie where Dharamji comes and kisses me, pecks me on the cheek. When I signed my contract, it was supposed to be a lip to lip peck.
ओके
So I had to think about it. Think about it not for myself because I'm now married with kids. So I need to give them that respect where at least I ask them, is that okay with you? I have these 3 boys in my house, so I need to know they'll be fine with whatever I'm doing. And luckily because my husband himself is an actor and a director and my kids are grown up in
Yeah,
today's
yeah,
day and age,
yeah,
they were like,
yeah.
yeah, it's cool. It was a fun sequence. So I actually signed and said yes, okay, thinking that that's what's going to happen. On the set, things changed. And then they decided creatively that perhaps it will become too much for his character because if he just can't go around kissing every woman in the movie, that's going to become
कुछ ज़्यादा ही रंगीन हो जाता है
हाँ,
उनका
कुछ ज़्यादा ही
कैरेक्टर
हो जाता. So even that peck, I think, achieved the job.
या
But coming back to your question कि कोई मुझे choreograph करके बोलता कि he will come and then he will put his right hand on your left hand and then he will touch your neck from here and then kiss you, या मैं तो पागल ही हो जाती. इतनी सारी मेरे को तैयारी नहीं आती. मतलब थोड़ा take it like you're an actor, yeah, just act.
अब कंपेरेटिवली टू 90s एंड 80s बहुत सारे एक्टर्स एजी कंटेंट कर रहे हैं वेयर दे आर एबल टू एक्सप्लोर देयर क्रिएटिविटी आप किस तरीके के रोल्स को इनवाइट करना चाहते हो जो कि अब तक आपके पास में आया नहीं है, बट देन देयर इज वन ड्रीम रोल इन योर माइंड कि ये मैं करना चाहती हूँ एंड मे बी आई विल look forward to it, or maybe I'll get someone to do this project with me?
I think I would be like a really cool corrupt cop,
हाँ,
like beating people up and giving flying kicks and socking somebody's brain out of their head. I would like to do an all-out action kind of genre today. Perhaps that. Perhaps even something. Actually, everything. I want to do everything. Why am I lying?
अब आप एक्सप्लोरेशन वाले मोड में आ चुके हो कि
Yeah,
जो मुझे
yeah.
अच्छे से अच्छा
I
काम
don't have
मिलेगा.
anything to
Yeah.
prove.
Yeah.
I don't have any yardsticks now कि मुझे हीरोइन ही होना चाहिए and I need so much screen time.
और अब एक्चुअली सिनेरियो भी चेंज हो गया है मैम.
हाँ.
कोई ये नहीं सोचता है कि मुझे हीरोइन ही बनना है. Like,
नहीं
you
हम
know,
सोचते हैं लेकिन होगा नहीं.
with the kind of work which is happening,
Yeah.
I think जो मेन लीड रोल्स होते हैं कई बार उनको आउटशाइन करके निकल जाते हैं उनके आसपास वाले और वो
ऐसे
ज्यादा
झूठ
बेटर.
बोलते हैं लोग, ऐसा
अरे
कोई नहीं आउटशाइन करता. मेन लीड इज मेनली.
no, but then there are many characters in the OTT series also, and even for that matter movies also, जहाँ पर लीड से बेहतर काम उनके आसपास वाले कर रहे हैं.
नो बेहतर तो नहीं कर रहे. दे डूइंग ग्रेट
Yeah,
वर्क,
yeah.
आउटस्टैंडिंग वर्क.
मतलब सब
They
अपने
are
अपने
like the
डब्बे में
pillars.
अच्छे हैं.
Like
हाँ.
एक घर खूबसूरत होता है
हाँ.
फॉर एग्जाम्पल,
हाँ.
बट द पिलर्स हैव टू बी स्ट्रॉन्ग, राइट? बट जस्ट पिलर्स विल नॉट होल्ड टेल यू दैट दिस इज अ ब्यूटीफुल हाउस. मैं आपको 4 खंबे दिखा दूं कि कितने स्ट्रॉन्ग है, कितने फैंटास्टिक है, बट मैंने कुछ कलर नहीं किया, कुछ खूबसूरती नहीं डाली. दैट कांट मेक अ ब्यूटीफुल मूवी, राइट? So I need strong pillars, which are the characters like us, and then I need the best lead pair who people want to watch.
ताकि
लोगों
एक
को
ओवरऑल
देखने
एक
का
अच्छी
मन
स्ट्रेंथ.
तो होना चाहिए. You know, a beautiful woman, a good-looking guy, a good story. It's all trappings. It's all part of the process. So you can't say they're better or they're better. They both have to be equally kick-ass to make a good project.
मेरा ऐसा मानना है कि 90s में जितने भी एक्टर्स थे वो अपने मेरिट के बेसिस पर अपने अपने जॉनराज में एकदम परफेक्ट थे. मतलब इट वॉज रियली वेरी रिफ्रेशिंग टू वॉच यू और रवीना मैम और करिश्मा मैम ऑन स्क्रीन, क्योंकि आप लोगों ने एक अपना वो सेट कर दिया था पैरामीटर कि हम सब अपने मेरिट के बेसिस पर यहाँ पर हैं एंड एवरी वन हैज़ अ वेरी डिफरेंट क्राफ्ट. मतलब जो आपके पास में है वो मतलब वो होता है ना कि कंप्लीट भी करते हो और इनकम्प्लीट हो टैलेंट वाइज. डू यू थिंक कि आज के टाइम के एक्टर्स या एक्ट्रेसेस थोड़े से ओवररेटेड साइड पर हैं? बिकॉज कहीं ना कहीं इंडस्ट्री में एक क्लैन चलता है, एक लॉबी चलती है जिसकी वजह से बहुत सारे एबल्ड लोगों को चांस नहीं मिल पाता. डू यू थिंक दैट?
No, not true. Because आज के एक्टर्स बहुत अच्छी तैयारी के साथ आते हैं. From the first film onwards, I see girls and boys have done their homework, their bodies are made, their clothes are perfect, their hair is exactly how it should be, their makeup is perfect. We were learning with every film. If you see all of us, the trajectory of all the 90s girls, all of us were going film by film, photo shoot by photo shoot, we were improving. We've had disastrous hair and costume, and you know, we were discovering ourselves. We were all like 16-17-year-old girls at that point of time. एंड इतना एक्सपोजर नहीं था जैसे आजकल सोशल मीडिया है, इंटरनेशनल है. लाइक यू सेड, सो मेनी स्पेशलिस्ट फ्रॉम एवरी थिंग आर जस्ट हेल्पिंग यू आउट. हमारा कौन था? हमारा मेकअप मैन, हेयर ड्रेसर, एक हमारी मम्मी होती थी साथ में, एंड कॉस्ट्यूम डिजाइनर. दैट्स इट. सो वी हैड टू जस्ट गो विद द फ्लो एंड वट एवर आवर इंस्टिंक्ट वाज एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम. So today's girls and boys are so well prepared. पहली फिल्म में लगता है भाई कितनी फिल्में करके आ गए इन लोग.
मतलब उनका काम ही ये हो जाता है एक्टिंग स्कूल एंड देन यू आर ग्रूम्ड इन अ सर्टेन वे.
You're grooming, you're acting, you're everything is
बट
perfect.
ऑन द जॉब ट्रेनिंग शिवा मैम ज़्यादा बेहतर होती है या ऑलरेडी प्रिपेयर्ड होना? आई थिंक ऑन द जॉब वो बोलते हैं ना कि गिर गिर के ही इंसान.
नहीं
सच
आजकल
बनता है.
टाइम नहीं है. You don't get so many chances. At that point of time, perhaps we got many chances. Today, they don't give you chances. Every project is now worth 100 crores. Who's going to take a chance after
God.
you don't work well in one? How many times are you going to get chances again and again? So you bloody well know your craft. You should know it in and out today. Today, it's a cutthroat world. So yeah, the chances are not many. Be prepared. Do your homework.
सोशल मीडिया के थ्रू बहुत सारी कंट्रोवर्सीज के बारे में पता पड़ जाता है अब आज के टाइम पे. एंड इफ यू लुक एट द 90s एंड 80s, या तो स्टारडस्ट होती थी, मायापुरी होती थी, वही मैगजीन्स होती थी. आप कभी कोई कंट्रोवर्सी में कैसे नहीं आई?
बहुत कंट्रोवर्सीज में आई, बट क्या था उस टाइम जर्नलिस्ट्स एंड एक्टर्स वर लाइक दिस.
Okay.
So we all had a bunch of editors and journalists who were our very close friends, and they would come and give you a heads up के देखिए तेरे बारे में निकलने वाला है तो रोक ले, and then you would call the editor and say don't यार मत छापना यार, it's not good for me types. So at that point of time again, see, our relationships were strong, दोस्तियाँ organic थी, तो they would say अच्छा ठीक है फिर give me a good photo shoot. You know, so it was.
But I've never seen your name, like, you know, at them, I don't want to name the heroines who were part of a major controversy also, but then मैंने आपका नाम कभी ऐसा as such
no.
नहीं देखा है that, you know, there is this one बड़ा सारा Stardust के ऊपर liner लिखा हुआ है कि, you know, Shiba, this has happened and this is the rumor and this is what has happened. I've read about many heroines. You were not part of the major controversies.
No.
है ना? अब अगर मैं आपसे पूछूं कि उस टाइम की कोई ऐसी रूमर हमें बताइए जो कि आपके बारे में बहुत मेजरली स्प्रेड हुई थी और हमको आइडिया ही नहीं है इस चीज का, मतलब
नहीं अगर रूमर है मैं क्यों बताऊंगी.
जो weirdest rumor you have heard about yourself and you were like अरे ये मैंने किया है.
Weird नहीं, I can't even think of it.
Nothing.
I mean, other than the fact that she's probably dating XYZ or...
Dating तो मजा ही नहीं है मैम. इसमें मसाला नहीं. कोई कैट फाइट के बारे में मालूम नहीं.
नहीं, कैट फाइट मेरी सटली हुई थी ना, बिकॉज आई बिकेम ग्रेट फ्रेंड्स विद द co-star who revealed all whatever I said to him, her, to a magazine, and it got printed out. So then it was very subtle, wherein I just stopped speaking. But I'm not the type to go and start screaming and shouting.
Has it ever happened to you where someone has like literally, like they came towards you and they were blasting you and you were like clueless on the sets?
वो तो मेरा एक झगड़ा एक co-star से हुआ था, because we were both very tired. Yeah, like you said, that time we were doing multiple shifts. उस टाइम बहुत सारी फिल्में एक साथ साइन की जाती थी, and we had to work simultaneously on many projects. So by the time it's 2-3 in the morning, you're exhausted. You're not in the mood to be civil to each other. You just want to do your job and
go
get home to bed. So I have had like a proper full-on yelling match in the middle of a street of Bombay in the middle of the night.
But then उसके बाद में सुलह हुई या
नहीं,
फिर
बिल्कुल नहीं हुई.
बिल्कुल भी नहीं.
नहीं, मैंने वो प्रोजेक्ट ही नहीं कंप्लीट किया.
She was like हो नहीं पाई क्योंकि I walked out of the project.
Yeah, I was like, get lost, I'm not doing this.
Being an actor और इतने टाइम से एक लेगेसी आप आगे लेकर के जा रहे हो, इनसिक्योरिटीज तो बहुत आती होंगी दिमाग में मैम. कैसे कोप अप करते हो, कैसे अपने आप को मोटिवेट
उम्र
करते हो?
निकल गई अब. इनसिक्योरिटी
बट आती थी इनसिक्योरिटीज आपको?
आती होंगी उस टाइम पे. when I was in my 20s, of course I would be insecure. Okay, if I'm not nice to this particular co-star, he will make sure that I don't get signed for a movie.
Has it happened?
It's happened to me. It has happened wherein an actor has found out that I've been signed for a project and he's had me replaced. So perhaps because I wasn't nice enough.
अच्छा, तो उस टाइम पे ऐसा नहीं होता था मैम कि जैसे आपको पता पड़ा?
I've always been very cheeky actually. Sometimes I say stuff and I don't realize, and my friends even now say you have a foot and mouth disease because you don't think before you talk. And I would just say random things and some people just take it on their ego.
So who used to inform you that you've been replaced? Like, you know, पहले से ही?
उस टाइम पे वो एक हमारे सेक्रेटरी होते थे जो हमारी पूरी लाइफ रन कर रहे थे. So my secretary would say, I would say वो फिल्म हो गई है blah blah. He said नहीं
वो तो शेफ हो गई. हाँ. तो आपका ऐसा मन नहीं किया कभी कि कन्फ्रंट करूँ जाकर के, like, you know, what's wrong, like, you know, let's have a word and let's sort this thing out?
मैं कन्फ्रंट करती तो फिर और आगे के प्रोजेक्ट खराब हो जाते. So and वो डिनाई ही कर देते ना कि हमने तो नहीं किया, it's not our right, how can we do it, we don't have the right to replace an entire heroine in a movie. They would all lie.
तुम और आपको लगता है ये आज भी होता है?
Of course होता है.
हाँ,
of course होता है. ये हर इंडस्ट्री में होता है कि ग्रुप्स एंड कैंप्स एंड recommendations चलती ही हैं.
Which is that one role you sort of not regret but then you were sad कि ये मेरे हाथ से निकल गया because of XYZ misunderstanding or maybe I was not too nice enough for that person.
But I'm not going to tell you which one it is. है, बहुत अच्छी फिल्म है, बहुत. अभी भी गाना
अच्छा, नंबर बता,
दिल दुखता है.
नंबर बता दो कितने हैं? 1 2 3.
At least there's 2 that I know of that would have been mine
Hmm.
had I been slightly less of a foot and mouth person.
किस
Yeah.
तरीके के, अच्छा अगर मैं आपसे पूछूं शिवा मैम
नहीं
के
2 नहीं 3 होंगे, ज्यादा ही होंगे.
एक का नाम एक का नाम बता सकते हैं?
It's all in the past.
सबसे वियर्डेस्ट प्रोजेक्ट आपको ऑफर हुआ है और आपने मतलब किसी गुडविल में सुन लिया कि चलो ठीक है आके सुना दो, मुझे स्टोरी सुना दो, मैं सुन लूंगी बट देन मैं नहीं कर पाऊंगी, इससे वियर्डेस्ट कोई कैरेक्टर ब्रीफ आपको मिला हो?
एक बहुत वियर्ड मिस्टेक की मैंने अपने करियर में. एक किसी के लिए जस्ट एज अ फेवर आई सेड ओके टू डूइंग अ गेस्ट सॉन्ग, जस्ट अ गेस्ट अपीयरेंस, एंड ही वाज लाइक प्लीज कर दो, इट विल हेल्प मी. उस टाइम पे क्या होता था कि लोग थोड़ा बहुत गाने वाने दिखा के डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर्स को बेचते थे फिल्म. तो आई सेड ओके एंड आई डिड दैट सॉन्ग सब्सिक्वेंटली, एंड व्हाट हैपेंड इज दे printed a poster with me and that title was Bhutani, and I was there in this costume. I was like, what the hell? Ye matlab, and I was in the prime of my career, imagine at that point of time. And I'm dressed up in my finery and called Bhutani, and I'm not even the heroine of the film. I was like, hey Bhagwan, you go to be nice to someone and they just like walk all over you.
मार्केटिंग स्किल्स बिल्कुल नहीं थे उस बंदे के.
So,
बट लाइक हाउ डिड यू डील विद इट, लाइक व्हाट हैपेंड? उसके बाद में आपने कुछ कहा, कुछ लीगल केस हुआ?
एक और स्टोरी में लीगल केस हुआ, दैट वाज रियली बैड उस टाइम के लिए. आई कांट इमेजिन हाउ दे इवन डिड इट इन दैट जमाना. उन्होंने एक पोस्टर छाप दिया मेरा एंड दे मेड इट काइंड ऑफ सेमी न्यूड.
माय गॉड.
Yeah, so I actually at that point of time I put a legal suit on that person because I got so mad and I made a big fuss about it. Obviously it was like मेरी इज्जत पे आ गया. Yes, I was a sex symbol of the time. Yes, I did a lot of
Yeah.
hot shoots,
Yeah,
but hot
yeah.
shoot मतलब क्या कपड़े पहन के करे वो थे. I mean if I'm in a poolside I'm wearing
Yeah,
a
yeah,
bikini,
yeah.
that's fine.
Yeah.
But you can't morph. Which now तो it's very scary baba. Now
अब
तो it's
तो
easy.
AI तो-
It's like one button. उस time पे they had to work hard on it, right? So उस time पे मैंने केस किया था.
There are a lot of
फिर वो
videos which are not even
पर्टिकुलर
real.
फिल्म के लिए मैंने डबिंग भी नहीं की थी because it became a big fight. So yeah, that was one thing.
ये सारी जो आप मुझे इंसिडेंसेस बता रहे हो, लाइक यू नो लूजिंग आउट ऑन प्रोजेक्ट्स एंड देन यू नो पीपल मॉर्फिंग योर इमेजेस एंड एवरीथिंग, क्या कुछ टाइम के लिए आपके करियर के ऊपर मैम असर पड़ा था इस चीज़ का? मतलब आपको पता है कि वो चीज़ आपने नहीं करी है बट एक तरीके से वो कहते
उसका
हैं
असर
ना
नहीं
नाम.
पड़ा. असर पड़ा मेरा of actors not recommending me. And a lot of my projects not doing well. I mean, when your projects don't do well, any which way, how are you going to get more work, right? So at some point in my career, I decided enough is enough. I'm not going to spend my life just struggling and waiting for the right project and the best project. And that's when I got married a good 3 decades ago.
But agar if I talk about your work, which was that one driving force which actually got you into Bollywood? Like when did you decide कि मुझे एक्ट्रेस ही बनना है?
So that's the thing. I feel कि जब मैं इंडस्ट्री में आई भी, I wasn't ambitious enough. I wasn't trained enough. I wasn't cutthroat enough. I didn't want it enough. Had I worked slightly harder on my craft and myself and being a little more ambitious, being surrounded by the right people, being seen by the right people, meeting the right people, it would have been better. मैं अपने मस्ती में अपनी बुक्स पढ़ रही हूँ, कभी इश्क हो रहा है तो अपने बॉयफ्रेंड के साथ बिजी हूँ. So it was just, I was not serious enough. So I feel it was my own brain. I should have worked harder and smarter. I wasn't smart. I was emotional.
Is this the reason why you're more hungry and you want to do more projects?
Now I'm not hungry. Now I'm
In
just,
terms of getting more.
no, now I'm just, I'm at a phase of my life where I want to do work which keeps me creatively satisfied. Like you've seen from my feed, I am a creative person. I like being busy. I like doing creative things. So now I want to do work which makes me happy. I would like to wake up with a smile and say, today I'm going to work. So today that's the driving force. It's not projects or ये role मुझे ज़रूर करना है पर मैं how do I go about getting it?
जो डल पीरियड आता है आपकी लाइफ में, एंड आई थिंक इट्स फॉर एवरी प्रोफेशन, मुझे ऐसा लगता है स्टैग्नेंसी हर प्रोफेशन में आती है, एंड क्रिएटिव लाइन में थोड़ी सी ज़्यादा आती है, क्योंकि एक टाइम पे आपका टाइम आप पीक पे होते हो, फिर आप थोड़ा नीचे आते हो, एंड देन समटाइम्स इन स्पाइट ऑफ बीइंग टैलेंटेड ब्यूटिफुल वो काम नहीं आता, तो उस टाइम पे कैसे मोटिवेटेड रखते हो अपने आप को?
So इस लाइन में डिप्रेशन बहुत इजीली आ
बहुत
जाती है.
easy.
इट्स वेरी वेरी इजी टू गो डाउन इन द डम्प्स एंड you go down in the dumps and the slumps because sometimes you see aapke co-stars and people of your own age getting better work, more work, getting hits, doing shows, making money, and you're not, and then you're going deeper and deeper into this pit. But the thing is, and then you're too embarrassed to talk. In my time,
Yeah.
it was too embarrassing to talk about depression or the fact that you're upset, and you would kind of internalize it. And now I have learned that the best way to get rid of depression is to surround yourself with friends, family, pets, hobbies, things which you can distract your mind with. And there is no harm in speaking to a mental health care
Expert.
person. And I feel everybody from childhood onwards, if you see your child going through it or your teenager or your parent, get the mental health care because it's as important to you as a gym today. आप जिम जाते हो to work out your body, go to a mental health care professional to work out your mind. Because हम अपने mind के cobwebs खुद नहीं उलझे हुए को सुलझा सकते. It's not our profession. Like आप जिम बोलते हो कि मशीन सारी है, I know how to use them, but you still want a trainer. Same way you want a trainer for your mind. Train your mind to look for the happiness. There are so many sad things in the world, but there are so many happy things as well. Na? Look for happiness and train your brain that way.
रियलिटी शोज के बारे में शिबा मैम का क्या कहना है? अगर आज एक
I
रियलिटी
love
शो,
Big Boss.
हाँ,
I am a diehard fan. And
are you following this season?
Yes, every season.
And who is your
every
favorite?
episode. Karan.
हाँ.
Karan is my favorite. And I hate that everybody is attacking him. And I think everybody is attacking him because he's the best.
Do you think that these are actually scripted? Because ये बहुत ही 50-50 debate है on social media कि ये
No.
scripted
I've
है.
had friends every season inside the house. It's not scripted at all.
No?
Not at all.
मतलब ऐसा होता है क्या कि जैसे ही आप देख रहे हो कि कैमरा आपकी तरफ पॉइंट हो रहा है और आपने लड़ना शुरू कर दिया? बिकॉज आई हैव हर्ड वेरी वियर्ड स्टोरीज हाँ कि जो मतलब ए साइड पे बैठते हैं घर के जहाँ पर कैमरास लगे होते हैं, पूरी टीम बैठी होती है, ऐसा मैंने सुना है कि वो लोग इंस्ट्रक्ट करते हैं कि हम अब तुम पे आने वाले हैं और अब लड़ना शुरू करो. इज इट ट्रू?
I don't think so.
नहीं ना.
Definitely not.
One reality show you want to be part of in today's age, apart from Big Boss. Do you want to be part of a dancing show?
No, I don't want to be part of any show. I want to watch all the show. I'm very happy watching. I'm a good voyeur. I love. Like my parents were always like when I would watch Big Boss, they would say, "ये क्या है इतना आवाज?" That generation doesn't like it.
मेरी मम्मी बोलती है झगड़ा करना सीखती है.
हाँ मतलब तुम क्या इतना क्या चिल्लम चिल्ली चल रहे, तुम क्या देख रही हो? My kids will like hit their head against the wall and walk out of my bedroom कि what the hell, you know. But I'm like such a voyeur. Fight.
वो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कहीं ना कहीं हमारा स्ट्रेस रिलीज हो रहा होता है कि
Actually.
तुम लड़ोगे तो अरे बड़ा मजा आ रहा है.
यार दुनिया में कितना गम है, मेरा गम
मेरा
कितना
गम
कम है.
तुम लड़ो, मैं आराम से इधर चाय पीते पीते तुम्हें देख रही हूँ.
Yeah.
One message you would want to give to all the youngsters out there who want to make it big in this industry, because you've seen it all, you are exploring it more, you are very lively on social media. I mean, what would you want to tell them whenever they are down?
अभी जब मैंने बोला कि जैसे जिम जाते हो वैसे find yourself a psychologist or a psychiatrist and go regularly. Learn to deal with failure before you come into our line, because failure is part of our line. There is nobody who has 100% track record. तो ऐसा तो है नहीं आप आओगे और आपको मंथ आफ्टर मंथ या ईयर आफ्टर ईयर अच्छे फिल्म्स मिलेंगे और सब हिट हो जाएंगे. नहीं होंगे. At that point of time your phone will stop ringing, the offers will stop coming, your brain will go into a very deep pit. At that point of time learn to deal. So जब आप अपनी प्रेप करते हो ना to be an actor, वो मेंटल हेल्थ की प्रेप पहले करिए.
माय गॉड, क्योंकि आप सोशल मीडिया पे इतना एक्टिव और आपका गेम बहुत स्ट्रांग है. मुझे स्क्रीन टाइम जानना है आपका शिबा मैम.
Actually मेरा screen time is not that much because I'm a very avid reader. So currently I'm on my 70th book of the year. I read voraciously. Even now in my car, my Kindle is there. Like literally, my Kindle and my phone are kept together. So once I'm on the phone, say for about, and on my phone, I swear I only stalk myself.
ये सबसे बेस्ट है. अपनी स्टोरी वापस देख लेना. सारे हीरोइनों के गुण तो है मेरे में.
हाँ.
अपनी स्टोरी बार बार देख.
बस अपने आप को देख के अपना मीडिया पेज चेक करके बंद कर दो. एंड उसके बाद आई लुक फॉर माई नेक्स्ट रीड. सो आई हैव अ लॉट ऑफ TBRs ऑन टू बी रेड.
मैम इतना बता. मैं पढ़ती हूँ बुक लेकर बिस्तर पे सीधा. मेरी मॉम बोलती है जैसे नींद नहीं आ रही ना, जरा फोन साइड में रख के बुक हाथ में ले ले. हाँ. 2 पेज पढ़ने के बाद में मैं उसके ऊपर ही होती हूँ. तो वो
तो एटलीस्ट इट वर्क्स लाइक अ मेलाटोनिन
फॉर यू. ये सही है. वो डिप्रेशन सब चला जाता है क्योंकि वर्ड समझ में नहीं आ रहे होते ना नींद में. तो दैट इज ऑल गॉन.
सो आई एम अ वेरी voracious reader. So hence my time on my phone is not as bad as it could be. It could be because very easy once you start watching say reels, you suddenly look up and 1 घंटा चला गया. So
ये क्या हो गया.
हाँ, so I actually time myself कि I look at the watch and say okay 10-15 I have to put the phone
इतना
down.
सेल्फ कंट्रोल आ जाता तो फिर बात ही क्या थी. अच्छा, माय लास्ट क्वेश्चन. इस न्यू एज में आपके फेवरेट स्टार्स कौन है या एक्टर्स कौन है? आई वुडंट कॉल देम स्टार्स. एक्टर्स कौन है जिनके साथ में यू वुड वांट टू वर्क?
आइला सारे. I'm just greedy for work यार. I'm just greedy for
टॉप
work.
3 बोल दो चलो.
I like Ranbir. I like Karthik.
Okay. अच्छा, एक अगर आज के न्यू एज एक्टर को आपको 90s में टाइम मशीन के थ्रू लेकर के जाना हो तो किसको लेकर के जाओगे?
रणबीर कपूर.
I sort of saw that coming.
How?
Because of the craft and the आपने जिनके नाम लिए वो सब बहुत अच्छे हैं, बट रणबीर
है.
रणबीर
Yeah,
like
yeah.
जैसे शाहरुख है, सलमान है, वैसे
And his
रणबीर.
mother, my God,
Yeah.
she's so stunning and gorgeous even now. I see Neetu ji and I'm like mesmerized. She's like I think that whole khandan has only got some magic
जीन्स
Magic G.
है ना. नेक्स्ट टाइम रणबीर कपूर को इनवाइट जब करेंगे हम स्टूडियो में, मैं उनको काट खा लूंगी. कुछ आ जाएगा मेरे अंदर भी.
हाँ,
खून. हाँ. बट थैंक यू सो मच मैम. इट वाज सच अ प्लेजर एंड ऑनर एंड आई होप कि आप जो भी आगे एक्सपेरिमेंटल अच्छे प्रोजेक्ट्स लो और वो हम सबको बहुत एंटरटेन करें. एंड द मोस्ट अमेजिंग सोशल मीडिया फीड्स भी इस टाइम पे. एंड आई एम सो ग्लैड कि आप वो ट्रेंड्स फॉलो नहीं कर रहे हो सोशल media पे just to be relevant. You are doing your thing and lots of love to your dogs.
Thank you. That had to come.
Yes.